Hello everyone, it's your one and only sister AB Media, where they bring ogbonge story come, where they bring better story as e dey hot. So my people are the greet una. Good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are. I salute una. I don carry ogbonge story wey be say you supposed to hear sometimes. So I don see this our brother wey dem dey call Bobrisky. As e dey hot so na as make I carry am come make una see, make una use una eyes and use una ear hear everything wey dey happen o. You see dis life wey we see dem go say person dey do bad be fine, but e get wetin God dey appreciate for people. E get wetin God want us to dey do. E get some things wey be say I go see no matter say Bobrisky, nobody is perfect in this world. Bobrisky, everybody dey talk say na man, na woman, na man, so him go do himself as a woman. But sometimes no matter anything wey person do but sometimes when him get where him dey pay him due, when him dey pay him this thing, forget. You go see, even if you dey talk am in front of God, God go say e better pass many of una wey dey secret wetin una dey do for secret, wey una dey think say me wey be baba God no dey see. Na make me I dey carry this story come, I say make my people see. You see Bobrisky get a very good heart, no matter anything wey anyone dey say. You see Bobrisky, yes, we know say him do as a woman fine, him know wetin him dey do, and him dey use am dey do advert for many people. Him dey use am dey make him money for dey do advert for many people. See this life e get some things wey you go look, you go know say you go just do something wey be say people go fit dey give you business, dey call you for business. You understand? As Bobrisky dey like this, my people, I wan tell una story. You see this Bobrisky, him get very good heart as you see am. For the little I know about Bobrisky is a very good person. No matter say him do that thing wey him do, he's a very good person as you dey see am so. He like to help people, he like to do good. As you see am so, if you do something wey dey bad Bobrisky go, if you just do anyhow reach for inside, he no send you. Bobrisky no send you. Bobrisky go tell you hold her as e dey rent. Go tell you say, guy, you no do am well o. No be so dem dey do am. You no dey tolerate o. You no go pass him boundary, him go just leave you. So me, my people, I just dey tell una as e dey hot so, there's one woman and im son. Old woman o, the woman need help. Bobrisky, na so Bobrisky carry this mama come im house, say make dem stay, dem go sleep for im house. Say dey need house and the boy go go back to school. My people, many of us get that money, million pass Bobrisky, but to help na im be wahala for us. To help people na im be very big wahala. Even though you no get money this like Bobrisky, some people like dem no fit help person. E dey their blood. No matter any money wey dem get, to help person dey hard them. But if they need help, immediately they go call you, oh my sister, oh my brother. But they can never help somebody. They don't know that when you help people, God will be blessing you more and more. Where help will be coming, where something is difficult, people will be smiling on you. You'll be smiling because God opened door for you. It's not because you're so good or because you're a very nice person, but because of those things wey they do for people. God will come say, no matter this my son or this my daughter, if they sin, but let me just bless him, bless her because of her character, the way she do to people. Help. Stop be stingy for people. My dear brothers, sisters, help people. The one way you can do it for people. Do it for people. You get people where you dey help, like they no go help you back. Me wey dey here, I'm a witness. If I help people, they can never help me back, and I don't expect them to help me back but there's some characters wey be say they go do, they wonder say, is it how people behave? My brothers and my sisters, We have to be very careful. We have to help people. You have to get good heart. If you get heart to make money, get heart to take care of people, get heart to make people happy, get heart to give people. You get wetin Igbo music wey dey talk say enwere obi eji eri ego. You get mind to, you get the kind mind wey people dey get wey dem dey use chop money. Get the kind mind wey people get wey be say dem no dey still chop money. If you like make God bless them billions, they can never help people. They will be so stingy, they cannot help. But then forget it's God that give them. Anything can change automatic immediately. I'm telling you, my brothers, I'm telling you, my sisters. Sometimes we condemn Bobrisky. You do this, you do that, you do that. Everybody saying many things. But what I'm saying is that don't judge people like that. She changed like that, fine. She doing her own business, just leave her. But let me tell you, if you say that day where God will come, say na person wey you no expect. I'm telling you, somebody that you don't expect, where they say, na they sin, na they sin, na they sin, na go near God, oh, na go see God that day, you'll be surprised. You will be saying they hide your own, they do inside secret, because nobody they see you, only God they see you. You know, say God they see you. But they hide your own for inside secret, they do. It is say nobody see you. My sister, my brother, forget. That thing where they hide, where they say nobody they see you, where they do bad. Now that day where God go come, now you go see, say, people where they say them be evil people, they are not good, they are wicked. If you say that, then go and follow Baba God go. You will come there, they say, hey Baba God, I no do sin, I dey go church. My dear, no be too about to go church and sleep for church. No be to go to church to pray. No, your heart is it clean for your neighbor? Your heart is clean for helping people. Look at Bobrisky, what he's doing. No matter people they cause am, the money no be there, Bobrisky na this, Bobrisky no be that. But his heart is very good. He have a very good heart. He have a very good heart. Very, very good heart. I used to say this. Very, very good heart. Some people are very mean. They have the money. They can never help you. Even though they see they are going down. They don't care. But look at, he take this mama to his house. Cook food. They are eating in dining table. Everything. They are eating. He say, Mama, you need to get a good house for you. We need to get a good house for you. Oh my God. After Bobrisky do all these things, let me tell you something. Is why God is blessing him. People will be talking, he's a man or a woman. Fine. But you will date there. God will still bless him. Do you know why? Because he do what God wants him to do. Go and check Bible. There's some people like this, but you don't need to judge them. He do what God wants him to do. Because what God wants making they do. Na Bobrisky do. And now what God wants make people they do. Help people. Help people. Don't be so stingy. Don't be so stingy. You cannot help people. And when you have the money to help. Now, you people will be talking, I don't care. He's a man. He's a, see the way you do. Fine. What about the ones that you're doing in secretly? Where they talk, where they condemn, and what you they do for secret, one they do for secret, one they say nobody they see you now. But they condemn man now, say in they doing in be man, why in they do like, yes, fine, in be man. You know what in they do, mona leave am. But in they pay in May, in they pay. Do you know why I say in they pay to God? Why they say they pay to God? Say in they pay in Jews, everything where God wants to make people they pay in this world, in they pay. He give people, giver can never lack. If you give people, you will see how God will money. People will ask, what is giving this lady money? What is giving this guy money? Everybody will be shouting, but they don't know the secret. Because they pay your due. They pay. When you collect finish, they still go settle, pay your tithe, pay everything. na wetin God like most. Help people wey no get. But some of us wey dey there will be condemning. Dem dey say na man change himself or what. You go and that thing wey you dey do for secret, wey you think say God no dey see, nobody dey see you. You no know say Baba God dey see you. Abeg, make we forget. I praise Bobrisky. You are a very great person. So if you never subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and like and share my video. God bless you for watching this video. Bye bye.